Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Affidavits are a particular type of document used to record evidence for matters dealt with in court. The first thing to note is that you should use the specific affidavit form provided by the court you are dealing with. You will begin your document by filling out a series of identifying details. These details include the names of the parties, the location of the court, and the relevant case number. The affidavit will also set out the facts of your matter. When completing this section of the form, it's important to keep the following in mind. Make sure to stick to the relevant facts and be as brief as possible. In all cases, the affidavit should be in plain English and easy to read. Set out the facts in chronological order using a series of numbered paragraphs. This will aid the understanding of whoever is reading your form. Finally, only state what you know. This includes things you have seen, heard, or experienced directly. You cannot include what others have told you they have seen or heard. This is otherwise referred to as hearsay. Once your affidavit is completed, signed and witnessed, you can then file it at a court handling your matter. You will need to pay a filing fee, which will vary according to each court. If you require further information and links on how to fill out an affidavit form, check out the link to our article below.